As as I have told you that this differently able, or we can say disability, varies from country to country, from society to society, and also this varies from all. This is not equal in all the countries or in all the societies. Let us we see what is the disability or differently ability in India. According to conservative estimate, approximately 6% of India's total population is differently able, or we can say disabled. But if we compare this estimation with the other countries, we will find it double to other countries. As the developed countries, as the developed or developing countries in the world, they are possessing high disability rate. They have high disability rate. They have high differently abled people in their countries. Just like I can say Australia, the country, Australia, or we can say continent, Australia, their disabled rate is 18%. And United Kingdom's disabled rate is 14.2%. Whereas United States disabled rate is 9%. But if we compare why the India, the second populous country of the world, is only having 6% disabled rate. What is the reason? These developed countries or developing countries, they have high disabled rate, whereas India, which is a developing country, it has a very low disabled rate. What is the reason? Oh, my dear students, these countries, these developed countries, they include all these people, all those people who have some problem, put them into the category of disabled. Just like if somebody is having lungs problem, heart problem, they put, these developed countries put these people into disabled category. But in our country, those people who have only one, who have lungs problem, heart problem, some other problem, we are not putting them as disabled. We are thinking that they are able, they are not disabled. But in the foreign countries, those people who have some problem, health problem, they consider them as disabled persons. That is why their estimation, they estimate the things. But in our country, we are only treating those people as handicapped, crippled, lame, deafers, dumbs. We are only putting only those people into the category of handicapped or disabled or differently able people. But in the developed countries, they put all these people into the category of differently able people. Let us see more their distribution. These countries, my dear students, are taking everything what a man is having the health problem, they are taking this as a disabled or disabled in the category of, they are labeled them as differently able, or we can say disabled people. For example, in such countries, people with internal conditions are also considered disabled. These are individuals where the disability is not very visible. What I mean to say is that there are these people in these countries, some people, their disability is not visible. Just like a person with one lung, a person with one lung or kidney, or a person with severe heart alignment, would be termed as disabled in these countries. In these countries, even diabetes are given the shade of disabled person. I mean to say that the person who are having diabetes, sugar problem is like that, they are labeled them as disabled person or differently abled person. They are looking at disability as a social issue, just like nowadays the COVID-19 is a social issue. It is a social stigma. It is a social problem. They are taking these problems. There's heart problems, kidney problem, we can say lung problems, and diabetes. They are considering them, they are labeling them as differently able or disabled persons. Now, my dear students, you must be know that there is a close relationship between disability and poverty. Always this thing happens that malnutrition, mothers weakened by frequent childbirth, inadequate immunization programs, accidents in overcrowded homes and cities, all countries to an incident of disability. Among poor people, my distance there is higher than among the people living in easier circumstances. It is now recently, with the efforts of differently able themselves, that some awareness is building in the society on the need to rethink about this disability. They have struggled for their betterment. They have struggled for their better future. And with the result, some reservations have been kept in the government jobs, in the private institutions, or in education institutions. Some reservation is put for their benefit, for their reservation. Government has these differently abled people have struggled for their betterment. They have made unions, they have made associations, and they have forced the government to rethink about these matters. Now, as I told you that this disability or differently abled people, this is the social stigma, this is the social problem, where the people we are placing them as handicapped, as crippled, and disabled, as lame, as blind, as something like that. And these government